In this video, I'll guide you through how to reconcile a cash account in Xero. We'll go step by step inside the Xero dashboard so you understand not just where to click, but what you're actually doing and why it matters for your bookkeeping. To start, open your web browser and go to xero.com. Log into your account the way you normally do. Once you're signed in, you should land on your main Xero dashboard where you can see an overview of your business, including things like bank accounts, invoices, and bills. Make sure you're in the correct organization. If you have access to more than one, you can switch organizations from the top area of the screen if needed. Now, from the main navigation bar at the top, look for the option labeled Accounting. This is where Xero groups most of your core financial tools, including bank accounts and reports. Go ahead and click on Accounting. When that menu opens, you'll see several options. The one we want is bank accounts, so click on bank accounts to move into that section. You should now see a list of all the bank and cash accounts that have been set up in Xero for this organization. This typically includes things like checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and any dedicated cash accounts you've created. Take a moment to find the specific cash account you want to reconcile. It may be labeled something like petty cash or cash on hand, depending on how your chart of accounts is set up. Once you've located the cash account, click directly on its name. This will open the detailed view for that account. Here you can see the account balance according to Xero, as well as recent transactions and statement lines if you have any connected bank feeds or imported statements for that account. Even if this is a simple cash account that you update manually, this is the place where you'll handle those reconciliations. With the cash account page open, you should see an option labeled Reconcile. This is usually near the top of the page and is the key feature we'll be using. Go ahead and click on Reconcile. This takes you to the reconciliation screen specifically for that cash account. On the reconciliation screen, you'll see statement lines on one side and possible matches or empty fields on the other side. Statement lines represent the individual cash movements that you've either imported or entered into Xero. Your goal here is to match each statement line with the correct transaction in Xero or create a new transaction if it doesn't exist yet. For each statement line, check the details such as the date, description, and amount. If Xero has suggested a match, review it carefully to make sure it's accurate. If it looks correct, you can confirm the match. If there's no suggestion, you can create a new transaction, choosing the right account code, adding a description, and confirming the amount. Work through each statement line one by one until all of them are either matched or created as new transactions. As you do this, you're effectively making sure that your recorded cash transactions in Xero line up with the actual cash movements for that account. When you've finished reviewing and approving the lines, your cash account will be fully reconciled, giving you accurate and up-to-date financial information in Xero